This message is for future millionaires only. They don't want you to know this, but as always, I'm going to tell you the truth. If you want to be a millionaire and successful, you need to be curious about that and start searching for answers. You won't get answers by lying in your bed and watching stupid videos or football matches. You live in an era when it's so easy to succeed that is impossible to even believe. You have the internet, YouTube, me, and all the information that you need out there to achieve your goal. I'm here to help you, and I'm guiding you toward your goals and dream life, and by listening to me I will change your mindset and way of thinking. That's 90% of the work. But you need to discover also 10% of the work, and that is actions like building a business. I won't tell you how to do that, because I know you are capable of it on your own. And I have told you the secret about how to get into 10% of the work, and I'm going to repeat myself. All you need to do is to ask yourself the most powerful question that starts with how. How can I make money? How can I become a millionaire? How can I become the beast? How can I be happier? Ask yourself that type of question until you start being curious about the answers, and your brain will start searching for them. You don't need me to show you step by step how to make money or anybody else. You need just to activate your brain, and you will do it on your own. This was Mr. Salvatore speaking. You can do it on your own. No one will show you a better way to success than your own mind.